Ano yung magandang green flag mo? Mabango.
Uy!
Mabango si Belinda.
Describe the scent.
Iba-iba yung scent niya, depende sa occasion.
Grabe yung sagot
Pero
mo,
gusto
Boy.
niya yung mga, gusto niya yung mga fresh lang, yung fruity.
Parang bagong ligo.
Ganun.
Grabe siyang, grabe siyang manglibre. Sobrang generous niya. Totoo, totoo. I mean, minsan nagugulat na ako na, uy, tama na. Like, never kang, like, parang lagi kang busog. Lagi may
Kasi nga
food
ayaw
on
nga niya
set.
ng ano, ng
Yes,
gutom, bubugnutin
that's
na mawala
true.
sa focus.
Biggest green flag in that. But to answer it talaga, he always makes sure that everyone's good on set. Yun yung napansin ko. Lalo na, like, he always asks, are you okay? Or how are you doing? Na, yun yung biggest green flag ko na pinaka-gusto.
Even you. You're someone who tells me stuff na siguro hindi masasabi ng iba, di ba?
Talaga? Sinasabi mo
I
siya?
would say so.
Same naman kami. Like, we really do communicate.
Yeah. And I think,
Well, may kasabihan na nothing is constant but change. Pero kung ikaw ang papipiliin, anong trait ni Donnie ang na-appreciate mo at wish mo na sana ay wag nang magbago?
Isa lang. Parang ang dami naman. Yeah.
Go ahead, we have the whole afternoon.
No, kasi para siyang definition ng green flag talaga. Well, hindi, totoo kasi such a gentleman, family-oriented. So,
What's one thing about her that you don't
ganun
want to
din,
change?
mamaya pa tayo kung ano sinabi ko lahat. I hope she doesn't change that inner child in her. Kasi I love when she's super happy and like super excited about things like she was when she was a child.
Uy, alam mo, ang nakakakita lang daw ng mga ganun, o pinagpapakitaan ng inner child is someone that they kind of love the most. Oo. You don't show that to everybody. Di ba? Parang, and sometimes, the person who notices that is that special person. Yun lang naman. Gusto ko lang naman sabihin. Huwag kang matense, Donnie. Matetense si Donnie eh.
saan niya nabasa yan?
Hindi, ako nakikinig lang. Ikaw ba? You show your inner child to just anyone
I
randomly?
think it's pretty common naman for us to like show our inner child to anyone we're...
Diba?
Yes.
People you're close with, people you love. Diba? Diba, Donnie, no?
Ayun. Ikaw, Bel, kailan ka huling kinilig kay Donnie at bakit?
Ano ba? Parang ano naman po, parang he always finds ways naman. Wow!
Ah.
Para pakiligan ako. Totoo naman! Bakit? Magiging honest ako. Yeah, he always finds ways naman para mapakilig ako. Like, just whenever kasi po ako lagi, since mahaba yung buhok ko, so it takes more time for me to dry it up or mag-ayos to get ready. He always comes to my dressing room just to say hi. So, that makes me kilig. Siguro yun. So, there are a lot of ways naman po. Like, let's say, pag minsan, randomly bigla siyang mag-order ng food, tatanungin niya ako, gano'n.
No, me and Belle, mas sanay kami sa ano, hindi masyadong text, gano'n. Mas, kunyari kung kasi alam ko hindi masyado nag-reply sa text, so kailangan tawagan mo.
Hoy!
Okay, so,
So,
red flag yun,
tinatawagan mo
Ano
siya.
ba yan?
Totoo!
Naglagan dito.
Yung tawag, mas gusto niya yung
Ay, oo,
tawag.
maganda naman din yun. Naririnig yung boses.
Oo.
Uy, kasi the last time na kinilig ako sa'yo, it wasn't in our scene or anything. It was when I saw you sa Incognito.
Ay, wow.
Kasi nakita ko kung gaano ka kagaling. Siguro ibang klaseng kilig to. And we also watched it here.
Kilig with matching super proud.
Oo, ganun po, ganun po. When I see that she does something very different and when people see that of her, kinikilig din ako kasi nakita kong gaano siya, kung gaano kalaki yung binigay niya for that. Yeah.
I can sense that sincerity, ha?